Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about making money with Warrior Plus. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you inside my Warrior Plus account and talk about the do's, the don'ts, and how you can actually make money on Warrior Plus. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today we're focused on using the Warrior Plus marketplace to make money. And there's two ways to do that. And to show you those two ways that you can make money on the Warrior Plus marketplace, we're going to go ahead and hop over to Warrior Plus. So here we are on Warrior Plus, and once you create a Warrior Plus account, what you'll see is a dashboard like this. And the dashboard starts off with the top products. Now here's where most people are going to fail before they even get started with Warrior Plus, is they're going to go to this top 10 and they're going to immediately start applying to promote these products without knowing anything about them, or without knowing anything about the vendors, or without having an audience that is targeted towards the products inside this top 10. So for example, you look at the top 10, majority of this stuff is going to be training on how to make money online. Some of it's going to be some software. Others going to be, if you dig a little deeper, is going to be training or some PLR in other ways to make money online other than just coaching people how to make money online. So let's kind of understand, first and foremost, is don't just look at the top 10 list and think that's where you need to go as an affiliate to be successful on Warrior Plus or with Warrior Plus. There's gold on Warrior Plus. There's really good products on Warrior Plus. There's complete and total crap on Warrior Plus, just like there's crap everywhere online, on Amazon, on eBay, on ClickBank, on ShareASale, JVZoo. There's vendors that use Facebook ads, that use ClickFunnels, that sell total garbage. That's just the reality of it. You have to do your due diligence. You have to be the one that goes and finds the good products and brings them out to your audience. And that's a key, is your audience, building your own audience. No matter if you're promoting a Warrior Plus or any other marketplace, you have to be providing value to your audience and making sure and understanding that the products you're promoting from Warrior Plus marketplace are bringing value to your audience. And then we're specifically speaking here as an affiliate. And of course, affiliates want to earn some great commissions by promoting products listed on our site. This is the place for you, is what they're telling you here on Warrior Plus, and it's true. Okay, that's the first way that we talked about making money with affiliate marketing or with the Warrior Plus marketplace as an affiliate. So let me give you a tip as a product vendor as well as an affiliate marketer on how to go about setting your account up and getting access to promote a product on Warrior Plus. Because the biggest failure that most people when they get started and they want to make money with Warrior Plus is they come on, they create an account, and they start again asking to promote products they see on this list, or they go and they look at the top offers underneath affiliates. You can go to offers, and then you can see the products that are being offered, and what you see here is the release date. And what most people will just simply open up a new account, heard about how they can make money online with Warrior Plus, or they took a training from somebody that sold a product on Warrior Plus, and they told them to go through here and just start requesting access or links to start promoting these products that are just on the affiliate offers list blindly. So let me show you inside my account as a vendor and show you some of the affiliate requests that I get and how not to do it. So as a vendor right here, what I can see is I can see my affiliates. And under affiliates, you're going to see pending requests. Currently, I have 5 pending requests here. Now, don't get too caught up in the details. All I want to do is just show you the way not to do it and give you a general idea and guideline on the kind of information to provide to go about getting your request approved to promote a product from a vendor on Warrior Plus. So as you can see here, this is for PLR products, which I'm a vendor. And you can see here some people have requested to promote this product. So here's a vendor, and it says, "Hello, I'll do my best to promote this. Message me if you're okay to let me." Okay, so that's the message that they gave me. So just all lowercase, "I'll do my best to promote this. Message me if you are okay to let me." They have no affiliate score. They're a brand new affiliate. So let's just check out their affiliate account. So to do that, you just simply click on their username right here, and that's going to take you over to their affiliate profile or to their Warrior Plus profile. As you can see, they joined in April 2020, so they've just signed up. They were active 7 days ago, but look at this. They have a gray profile. They're nothing. They've done nothing. They've given me nothing here that shows me that they're a real person, that they're actually working online. They have an online profile. They have a website, nothing. And you saw the request. Hello, I'll do my best to promote this. Message me if you're okay to let me. No affiliate score because they're a new affiliate. As you can see, they signed up April. They signed up this month. This is April 24th, 2020. So they've signed up April 2020, this same month that I'm doing this video. And they didn't even bother to fill out their profile. So me as a vendor, if I see this, why am I going to allow this person to send traffic to my offer, not knowing where that traffic is coming from, and or if it's a total scam and I'm going to get chargebacks and refund requests and all kinds of other issues that can be opened up to you as a vendor. So the first tip, if you are a beginner, a newbie if you will, and you want to come and make money as an affiliate on Warrior Plus, take your profile seriously. Just like any other type of platform, a website, your social media, you have to be a real person, or at least you have to put forward your business persona so that I understand and I know that you are taking this serious and it's not just a fly-by-night scheme for you and you're looking to get rich online and make money as fast as possible, which doesn't exist in the first place. So with that said, let me show you an example of my profile and something that you can follow suit with. So once you create an account, you can go up here and you can see your account details. And you click on that, and that will bring up your account, and that gives you the ability to edit your profile. And underneath this Edit Profile tab, what you can see is you have your username, you have your location, you have a little bio, you have a company name, you have an email address, you have a phone number, right? You can fill in a little bio, a little introduction. Here I have my vendor logo, 30minutemarketing.net. I've linked my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my old Google Plus, my Twitter. People know how to get a hold of me. It's a real picture of me. So if you were to view my public profile, here's what it looks like. I have an affiliate badge. I'm a top 25% affiliate. You can see GaryBaker.com, 30minutemarketing.net, 185 sales. I've been a member since June 2017. You can find me on social media. I'm a real person. You can see in this case, I actually have products because I'm a vendor, so the products are showing up there. So if you are trying to make money online and you're trying to make money with the Warrior Plus marketplace, first and foremost, if you want to request affiliate access and get a link to promote a product, present yourself as a professional and as a real person. Don't do this. And as you can see, the majority of these right here are all new affiliates. And if I click on every single one of these, it's going to be the exact same thing. Now here's a little longer introduction, but this is even worse because this person comes in and says, I'm already an expert in Facebook ads and Bing ads, but you're an expert in all that, but you're coming to me to promote a product on Warrior Plus, and you didn't take the time to fill out your profile. Again, fill out your profile, be a real person, put forward your best self, your best image, and let people know that you're taking this serious. It's a real business for you. So being an affiliate is the first way to make money with Warrior Plus, and it's the easiest route, and it's the route that most people take to get started. The other route or the other method that you can use to make money with Warrior Plus or on Warrior Plus is to become a vendor. And as a vendor, Warrior Plus offers the all-in-one sale, delivery, and management system that makes selling your product easier than ever. Set up auto delivery, sales funnels, and more easy-to-use interface. All of this is true, and it's a great way to get your product in front of affiliates that have an audience, just like we talked about earlier. Once you build a brand, once you build an audience, you can find tons and tons of good affiliates on this platform. And they do have very intuitive software that allows you to build all the sales funnels, add all your buy buttons once you have a product to sell. Now there's options to sell things on here, like you could sell training, you can sell software, you can sell PLR, like that's one of the things that I do as a vendor. Tons and tons of ways to sell things on here in the digital information space. So that's the second way. It's a little harder, it takes a little longer, but if you are a person that does have a digital product that's in the internet marketing, make money online niche or space, then Warrior Plus is a really good marketplace to go to and find quality affiliates. That's the introduction and the way to go about making money with Warrior Plus. There's two ways. First way that most people start with is as an affiliate. And again, fill out your profile, be a real person, put your best foot forward, make sure that people understand you're taking this serious and that it's a real business for you, making money online. You're working to build an audience. You're looking at this as a long-term prospect. You're here to be an affiliate to provide good, high-quality traffic to an audience that you've built that has a problem, that's looking for a solution that the vendor on Warrior Plus is providing to your audience. And then once you do that, you'll be able to go into your affiliate dashboard and you'll start seeing some results slowly, and you'll build up gradually, and you'll start doing exactly what you want to do as an affiliate, and exactly what you came here to learn in this video is how to make money online and how to make money with Warrior Plus. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on this end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.